about like a person, right? You talked about you did not talk about a family member, a friend, a companion. So that shows that we are
No, you actually you I
you
initially only
you
I mentioned that he needs different people to.
yeah, we need different people, right?
Yeah.
We need different people to support us, not to survive. We can survive alone because we were born in this world alone. Nobody nobody took that place. Nobody see, the point is, the subject matter says, and ultimately we all are alone, right? Because we do not own a person. We cannot have, do not have the possession over any people or any person. We can own things, we can own stuff, that is like materialistic stuff, but we cannot own people. That's the point, first point. Second point is, you told that the body is the cloth of the soul, right? I am talking about the soul, that a soul is an individual thing. If you told that he is a human being and he needs to like get better, and if he dies, that if he needs to promote it. No, the subject matter actually talks at the end of the subject matter is in the world. The soul is not in the world. Sir, therefore, I know they have discussed, but off the point. Yeah, right. Because okay. The total subject matter says in the world. Yeah, right. That should be highlighted. So the point is that we can have family members, we can have friends, we can have anyone who can support us, right? We the point is, if I'm walking a path, people can walk by my side, they can even hold my hand, and they can even take me to the destination, right? But I will have to walk, no one can walk on my behalf. That's the point. If someone is mine, I can use it any way I want, but can you use a person in place of you? Can you replace that person with you? No. The point is, maybe you are taking an exam, right? You are in like mental pressure, that how will you appear, how will you perform, all of the things. Your teachers can teach you, your parents can help you, your friends can, like your teachers will guide you about the knowledge, and your parents will pamper you because of your exams, and your friends are there to support you. But you still have that same worry, you still have that same pressure, that I have to take an exam, I have to perform good, I have to I have to succeed. That's the point. No one can, you cannot replace yourself, no matter what. Your mom can help you, your mom can, like maybe you are suffering, you have a headache or something, your mom or like your loved ones can be empathetic, but they cannot share the pain. You cannot share the pain with anyone. You are the one who is suffering, and you are the one who will have to suffer till the day you die. That's it.
As you talk that a person is like that he is walking on the path and traveling his whole life, but the paths we know that from born to die it is the range of the lifehood. So when a newborn baby, how he will know that what things I have to do?
Yeah, he will not know. That's why his parents
That's
are
why
there
he's
too.
no, no,
His parents are
let
there
me
too.
speak. Let me
His
speak. I'm not interfering
his
when you're
parents.
speaking.
I will. You did not doesn't mean I will not. I
See, the
will.
newborn baby
The
when he
point
is
is,
born.
he, if he needs help, they are there to help him. They are not there to walk his path. Are you getting my point? If you have to walk by a lane, you are the one walking on that lane. No one,
But
someone
a
can
newborn
help.
baby, how
Maybe
he
they
can walk in alone? He need to leave to walk. For leaving, he
Hmm.
needs to eat food. How a newborn baby will know that what I have eaten? He is just born and
Did I say that we don't have friends and family? We do. But the point is, are they mine? Are they entirely mine? Do I own them? No, that's the point. I am I telling that I don't have family, I don't have friends. I am telling that if he needs food, that, oh my god, the point is, if you are being born, that is your parents' responsibility to feed you. It's their responsibility that they will have to feed you, they will have to nurture you, all the things. If you are telling that because they do stuff, they are there for you, does that mean they are yours for entire life, they are yours forever? No. Why do you think parents do that? Because they need something in return. No one does that unconditionally. They know that you are a kid, you are not capable of doing these things. They are doing it because when they will not be able to do the stuff, because they will get old, they will
That's
grow
why-
old.
that only the thing.
Yeah,
If they are
that is a
depending on
give and
each
take
other.
policy.
They
That
are
is a give
depending
and
on
take
each
policy.
other.
That is,
and it is the fact that we
yeah,
are
that is a give
we
and
are
take
not living
policy.
alone.
That is not.
You
we-
are only saying that we are dependent on each other.
Yeah,
and
we
different
are.
aspects
We
of
are
life.
dependent
So
on each
how-
other. But
so how you are now changing the
Okay.
facts that
I'm not changing the fact. From the first line, I was telling we are dependent on each other. But that doesn't mean I own someone. That doesn't mean I possess someone. How? Let me clarify. The point is, when you are a kid, you are talking about a newborn baby that cannot walk, that do not know how to walk, do not know how to, like, does not know how to talk,
not
and
only
all.
I've said many more things also. You are
Yeah,
also stating
right.
that
Yeah,
we are
right.
dependent on each other. So we are not alone.
Am
We cannot live
am I
alone.
deviating from my point? Am I now telling that they are not dependent? They are, and they will be. The point is that is just a give and take policy. When you are a kid, you are not capable of doing your stuff. That's why they are doing it. When they will not be able to do their stuff, we will do it. That is how life works. That is how the process is.
That's the point,
That
that
doesn't
we
mean
cannot
I
live
own
alone.
someone. That doesn't.
Yeah,
The
we
point
said
is
the point already.
no,
We are
no.
already expected.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's
No,
directly
what doesn't matter? If
And
I'm
ultimately, somehow, at the end of the day, we are dependent on each other.
Yeah.
Except indirectly, maybe not.
no,
No, we can get it right.
nah.
If you talk about a child, she's
What
telling that.
She's talking about the process that yes, everybody is important.
Okay,
but
but
at the
can
end
you
of the day, are
just reject or relinquish the process? The process is there.
No, but
Directly into it doesn't matter.
This one should not be ignored ultimately.
That's the point.
Now, if the child dies at the end of at the age of 5 or at the age of 6, ultimately ends there. Now, ultimately depends on what the what depends.
The death experience is his own.
Howsoever, but the family is there with it, right?
Alright, then we-
Family
That-
is there with it. The doctors are there with it. The medicine, the process, everything is trying harder every day, every moment, every hour.
but the experience is individual.
Experience. If you are you talking about the experience only? We are talking about the. She's talking about the process. You're talking about the experience. So process
What
we are
am
talking
I? What
about.
am I? I am my experience.
Yes.
I am a summation
Right.
of my
How do you
experience.
gather your experience, sir? You cannot gather your
But I'm
experience alone.
experiencing.
Yeah,
That
whatsoever.
I'm
You are experiencing my voice, I'm experiencing your voice, right? It's just a
No,
given
I'm not
process.
experiencing your voice.
Yes.
I'm listening to
Right.
your voice.
That's the
But
thing.
there may be a different expression in me.
Right.
Okay, this experience.
Now, to understand my experience, right, or to understand your experience, I have to go through different books. Say, for example, you're talking about the spiritualism, right? To understand the word spiritualism, I have to go through different books. I have to go through different gurus and the path and the modus operandi of my life, so that I could understand, I could savvy whatever you're trying to say. So the experiences that you're talking about, that's not yours only. It is gathered. During the time, during the process, we gather the experience from different individuals, from different people.
You told her that because between the two of you actually, she has not accepted. She has not said that ultimately we are not alone. That's why I told. Okay, let her continue.
Okay. I have a question.
She's talking about, but ultimately there is a word. That is
I have a question. You are not ready to accept that we are alone, right? Ultimately, you own some people, right? Some people are with you. That's why you are not alone, right? Right?
I don't have the papers.
No, no. Is it right or not? Is it what you want to say or not? Is it what your subject matter says or not? I asked you a question. Is
Okay,
it
that's not a
yes or not?
Q&A session.
No. I can ask you based on your
You can
answer.
ask
No,
me, but
based
you
on
are
based on
answering
no,
it.
based on your answer, I will ask you some questions. And if you stop,
I answered.
you,
I answered.
no, the question
I
is
didn't ask anything, I
nah,
answered.
this
You-
is
you asked
this
the question,
is
you gave your
this
statement, I
this
answered.
what did you answer? What was your
No, what
answer?
you were saying there.
What was your
The process
answer?
you're talking about.
And I just asked you a simple question that you are not alone. Do you own some people?
If I am not alone, does it mean that I own people? Why people
You-
are not
you-
cars? People are not cars. Even if I say that I own some people, say for example, if I were a billionaire, I would own some people. Obviously, people would work under me. Now, if you go with this way, if you go with the flow, then obviously I own some people. What's wrong with that? Slavery has been there with us for a long span of time, from centuries. Slavery is a part of our life. Psychopath This process has been going on.
There's no need of this attitude because I did not say that
No, no.
you cannot own. I just asked you
Yeah,
a
yeah,
simple
we can
question.
also own.
You can own.
We can own,
right?
we can own.
Right.
Definitely,
You
we can.
have people with yours, like with you. You can own people. Who are they?
Take it A, B, C, D.
Yes, Dr. Outa employees.
Like,
Who are
take it like A, B, C, D, Mr. X, Mr. Y,
Right.
Mr.
And,
Z,
and,
whatever.
and the people you love. What about them? That.
Yeah.
What about them?
What is your question? Question and answer will not go this way. You ask
This will go.
or you give your
This
statement.
will go. So you are together, right? So the day you die, will they be with you forever? Will they be with you forever?
Just now you mentioned, sir, that we have to be in the world. We cannot go
I
outside
am
of the
being
world.
in the
Now
world.
she's saying that if
I'm
you
not
die,
asking-
so we have to
I'm
go
not-
outside of the world.
No, I'm not
So
asking questions.
we can talk about it. only.
I'm not asking questions of after death. I'm asking that till the day
If you die, you said.
Did I say that after that what would happen?
If I die, then
Yeah.
after death, no, obviously.
No,
Not before
I
death.
asked you till the day you die. Would they be with you or not?
Of course, they will be.
That,
Why do you
that
feel
cannot
that?
happen.
Why do you
point
feel
is,
that?
But the point is that I wanted to establish. The point is, if we tell that we have people with us, right? Our friends, our family, our parents, and all. The point is, no one can be with us forever. That's the point. The point is, I cannot say that this person is entirely mine. I'm not alone, and I cannot guarantee that I will be with this person forever. The point is, if I tell that I love my mom and she has given birth to me and she is mine, she is the person
It's not your property.
no, that's the point. Like, she's my person that I love. She's the one who nurtures me and I care for her. But will she live forever with me? No. Talk about my dad. No. Talk about my friends. Most of all, we don't have to go to the day they die. The point is, friendships are temporary. You cannot say
Nobody else will live your life by proxy.
that
You have to live your own life.
that is my point. The point is, ultimately I have to live my life by my own. I can have people that I love, but I cannot replace myself with anyone, right? I am a particular individual that, like, I am here in this world. I am born on my own. My mom gave birth to me. No one was in my place. That was me, right? If I have a simple headache, that is me, who is going to suffer, not my friend, not my mom, not the person I love the most in this world. Ultimately, I'm alone. Let's talk about an example that if a do or die situation happens, that
That's because pain is subjective. Pain is not objective. When you have a certain pain, then you are suffering subjectively, not objectively.
Yeah.
So there is no question of anybody else sharing the pain.
that's the point. The point is, I'm the one. Let's talk about, see, the point is, maybe I have lost one of my loved ones, right? The tremendous pain that I will have in my heart, no one can ever feel that. Not even my best person that I love the most in this world. No one. That's not possible. They can show empathy. They can be sympathetic. They can do anything and everything to comfort me. But the pain, what about that ultimate pain that I'm going to suffer? I'm the one. If I'm in depression, if I am frustrated, I have a mental illness, they can support me. They can provide food, shelter, anything, medication, whatever, what not. But I'm the one going to suffer. No one can replace me. That is the point. The point is, I cannot replace myself, and I am an individual.
Let us listen to Manila.